Hey guys, welcome to Chef LeBron. Tonight, we're going to make Korean barbecue bulgogi, which is one of the most popular Korean dishes. And also this is our first mukbang. We're going to eat dinner in front of you.
Woohoo!
Let's begin.
Add 2 apples, half of an onion, 8 cloves of garlic, a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 3/4 cup of water, half a cup of white sugar, a tablespoon of pepper. Add 1½ tablespoons of olive oil,
We're going to do a 5 minutes challenge. See if we can do it. Okay, let's eat. Ready?
I'm really ready.
Oh, look at the rice, it's like a mountain.
It is. I like the sauce on this.
Very good.
I was getting a little hangry when we were waiting to film this, so I'm ready.
And the Coke.
Why is LeBron sitting over there?
If I didn't eat. He's trying to eat. He's waiting for his food.
Normally he'd be at our feet, looking at us intently with very sad eyes. And here he comes.
No. It's very good.
It's hitting the spot.
This is called restaurant quality. Very nice.
They usually don't cook this with a serrano pepper, do they? Or like any pepper?
It's your personal preference. I like this type of pepper.
I like it too. It has a good kick to it.
We're getting there.
How are we on time?
Okay, we've got 26 seconds left. I strongly feel like I definitely can finish this. But 5 minutes, I'm not sure about that.
No. Maybe we should extend to 10 minutes then.
After that, we just see how long it takes us to finish it.
We're gonna finish it.
Okay, we just run this how long it takes, plus 5 minutes. We did a very good job on this because it's not too sweet. It's not sweet, it's perfect. I would say like very, very perfect. Very tasty. That's what I want to say. Maybe that's why other mukbang YouTubers set up at least 10 minutes for this. It's a lot of food.
Yeah. I mean, there is 2 of us, so.
Maybe 5 minutes is fair.
Yeah, 5 minutes probably is fair for this.
Alright.
Wait, I don't think I've ever eaten for like a challenge before. Like, it's always been. I'm kind of a slow eater. That's
Me
always
too.
been my thing, is to eat things slowly. And my family kind of makes fun of me for it.
Okay. We know we're not a fast eater, so we might just do a enjoyment type of.
We should see how slowly we can eat it.
Actually, I can eat it for an hour if I want to.
Yeah. I mean, it's healthier actually to
true.
chew things longer.
This is the first time and last time we're gonna use a timer. We're gonna enjoy our food, and it's called enjoyment. Okay, we're going to enjoy our food, and we're gonna eat slow.
A lot of recipes they'll have a lot of soy sauce in it, and I'm not really good with salt. I kind of swell up, so it still tastes, perfectly good with less than half the soy sauce that you would typically have in a recipe like this.
Let's make give Levani a little bit food. Rice. He loves rice.
It does.
Wow, I love the jalapeno cakes. Just hit my mouth very hard, but it's not spicy. I mean, it is spicy, but it's not that crazy spicy. It's very nice.
I'm sure have.
We're supposed to look at the camera when we eat.
It's kind of creepy. I think not.
It's like we're rookies. Like we're looking at the food when we're eating.
I don't know, when you watch mukbang videos, do they look at the camera? Like, do they stare into the eyes of the audience?
Yeah, they're staring
Oh.
at the audience.
I've only watched like a few, but I never noticed that they were looking at you while they're eating.
Oh my gosh.
Don't say it's all mine. Keep going.
Okay, I help you out. I was just being nice.
Let me help you.
Thanks. We don't want to waste anything, okay?
No. I feel very accomplished right now. We cleaned that plate.
I might. I feel like I can eat a little bit more, but I think it's perfect right now.
Yeah.
I would give 5 out of 5. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.